Hello guys, today I am back with the advent of code. So today topic is how to get input quickly from advent of code without going to the website. So there are two tricks that you can use while in going through the advent of code. So you can use this trick at the exactly 10 a.m. and 1 second for Pakistani time or as 5 p.m. EST time. I created a file that called getinput.python there because it is a Python file where we get the session cookie that you can get from your website. So it can look like this. You can store in .env file session equal to your session. So you have to get this by using this decouple library. So you can install this library from using pip install decouple. So it will take time and install it. So it says me to upgrade my some properties. So I quickly copied it and then paste it. So make sure you make it clear before getting into the advent of code. So while it is doing that, we create a folder named as 19 and and file other files name program.python where we use to code. So now we go to directory cd 2023 slash 19. Now we are in this directory. Now we use this Python command python dot slash dot slash because we are two directories in this directory. So we have to go back to the directory and check this get input file which is given here. You can also run it in separate, but it is recommended that you can use this trick or place in the year folder so you can traverse easily. So you just have to give some input commands like this that it will accept your year command. Like you have to give year like if it is for next year 2020-24, then you can use this year command and give this year equal to 2024. As we are in 2023, so we give it this. If you don't give it, it will take current year dash dash day equal to 19 because we are doing code for 19, and then you have to choose the greater than option and name the dot txt. So when we enter it, so it is giving us error. So let's just check it out. What's the issue? So still it is the error. So we have to one more installation like pip install python decouple. It is satisfied, but I think so there is a some configuration issues. So you can also paste your session cookie here. So it will work so as I do, but I cannot show this as properly as we can do here. So we can go to the other trick, but it will surely work. This Python code will surely work. It will get the input from advent of code, then use this output and save into the file that you have given in this file. Let me once again try. No, it's not, still not doing it. So one more thing, you can also use the advent of code D repository to have to install pip install aocd and enter. It will check out all the repos of advent of code. It is a good library that you can import. Now we have to read same thing for this. Now we copy this and same we have to get data from our input file, or we can use this. So we have to same as it is give this 19 here. So this is the same thing that is used in here, which I use in this get input file. So if that doesn't work input file, then you can try this. And you can let me get on this one. We have to save it. So it is again is showing it. So let me fix it out and then get back to you. I have figured out what is the issue. So we have to install the decouple library, which I initially installed. So we have to install this python-decouple. I will paste these in my YouTube videos description as well. So you have don't have too much hurry. So when we just do this, like if we -10 do this and check out the noise. So this will go through us the last 10th, last 7 line or something. So this is the trick you can use to show up all the rows. So we can check first 2 rows of input as well. So it depend upon you. So the data contains the 19 day 19 input. So we also try other trick. So let us delete this empty file. So we run this. So it will go through and same. You have this input in this input.txt file. And now you can read it. If you have saved this file, then you have to open this input.txt and read this file. As you can get directly data from your session. So as recommended by advent of code, this is not recommended as this have lot of requests on the server of advent of code. So we as a coder understand their issue. So we have it is the best way. So you can save your input file in a file and then read it while running your code again and again. So that's it for today. You can check out this code on my GitHub repo and follow and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.